Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.